channel. In the previous tutorial, we were working with the classic reports. In this tutorial, we shall explore some more features of classic report. So log into your Apex workspace, go to App Builder, and select the application or create a new application. In the previous tutorial, we have created a classic report, so that's why we shall use this application. Classic report employees, run that application. So this is our classic. Let's explore some more features. Click your classic report, go to the attributes. Here we have the pagination option. We have multiple pagination options. You can select no pagination. It will show all the records of the classic report without pagination. Let's select this option, save and run the report. You can see there is no pagination option. You can also select search engine 123 set based pagination, and you can see the all the pages at the right bottom of your classic report. For that, we have only 7 records, so we shall limit our records so that you can see that pagination. Save and run the report. So here you can see all the pages for the navigation, and the pagination is showing right bottom of your classic report, or you can choose row range in the select list. It will show a drop down list from where you can choose the pagination. Here you can see that this is a drop down list, and you can select any range of the records, and you have next and previous button as well. So the next option that we have is the maximum rows to process. If you want to set upper limit in your data so that we can use the maximum rows to process. For example, we have 7 rows here, and we want to show only 3 rows from our all the data set. So we can choose 3, click save and run the application. Now you can see only 3 records with the pagination 1, 2, and on the next page is 3. Let's revert the number of rows for the better understanding. So here you can see the 3 records of the classic report from 7 records. So this is the basic purpose for the maximum rows to process. Then we have the message option, which is related to number of rows in your classic report. If there is no record in your classic report, so no data found or message will appear, or you can modify your message as per your desire. Now, if you want to show a message, if uh, there is another number of rows in your classic report, and you have set the maximum rows to process per limit. For example, we have 7 records in our classic report, but we have mentioned the upper limit as 3. So there are more records other than 3 in the classic report. So when more than data found, any more than data exists, then you can mention a message. There is more data in the report. Click save and run. So you can see there is more data in the report. We have only presenting three records. So you can mention that three rows. There is more data in the report. We are only presenting three rows. Then we have a download option. You can mention any CSV separator like comma, colon, or enclose by like double quotes or single quote. Also, you can change the link text and the file name. Here you can see the download page option. So you can see the employees CSV has been downloaded and you can open it. So these three records are appearing as per our report. Now the next option we have is print enabled. Click save and run the. Now when you click this print option, it will download a PDF file and you can simply print that PDF file. So you can see that the same record is appearing in the PDF file. So that's all for the classic report. I hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.